Most wheelchairs weigh between 35 and 45 pounds. Every time a caregiver lifts one into a car trunk, opens it on a curb, or carries it up a step, they're lifting all of that. Every single time. Now picture lifting a wheelchair that weighs 13 pounds. I know what you're thinking. I'll show you exactly how in a moment. Today we're looking at the Drive Aerofly Ultra-Light Wheelchair. I'll show you the material that makes 13 pounds possible, what you get for that weight, who it fits, and the one honest limitation you need to know. Link at Home Healthcare Shop is in the description. Let's go. Before I show you how 13 pounds is even possible, you need to know what it's made of. When most people shop for a wheelchair, weight barely comes up. Then they try to lift a 35-pound chair into a car trunk. Back aching, arms shaking, and suddenly, it's the only thing that matters. The Aerofly frame weighs 13.3 pounds. The wheels pop off in seconds with quick-release axles. Fold it, grab the built-in carry handles, and you're loading it into the car like a piece of luggage. No straining, no struggling. With the wheels on, the total weight is 19 pounds, still lighter than most standard wheelchairs without wheels. My cousin Linda, 67, helps care for her husband full-time. Told me she nearly gave up taking him out because their old wheelchair was destroying her back. She switched to the Aerofly, and last Saturday they went to the botanical garden. First outing in 4 months. Available at Home Healthcare Shop. Link below. So how does a wheelchair that holds 250 pounds weigh 13 pounds? Here's the answer. Here's the part that made me stop and look it up twice. Steel wheelchairs are heavy. Most people know that. So manufacturers switch to aluminum. It's better, lighter, still strong. Most wheelchairs today are aluminum. The Aerofly is not. It's built from magnesium alloy, the same material used in aircraft components and racing car frames. Magnesium gives you more strength per pound than aluminum. That's why the frame weighs 13.3 pounds and still holds up to 250 pounds. Drive Medical holds a patent on this frame design. The flat free tires on the spoke wheels never go flat. No pumping, no punctures. The tipping guards ship standard, already attached, so the chair is ready to use safely right out of the box. If this is helpful, hit subscribe. The link to this wheelchair is in the description below. And here's what that weight means when you're actually using it day to day. The Aerofly comes in 2 seat widths, 18 inches and 20 inches. The seat height sits 19 inches from the floor, making transfers in and out easier for most people. The seat cushion and back cushion are both padded and removable, easy to clean. The footrests swing away completely, so getting in and out is smooth. The backrest folds flat for storage. 2 sets of brakes. The caregiver uses handles at the back, and the person sitting has wheel locks to hold the chair steady whenever they need to stop. My friend's mother, 73, told me the padded seat made a real difference on a 3-hour trip to see family. She said it felt nothing like the hard chairs before. So who is this wheelchair actually built for? And what should you know before you buy? The Aerofly is the right fit if you or someone you love needs a wheelchair for outings, travel, or appointments, and the person helping is struggling with how heavy the current chair is. It's also right for anyone who wants a wheelchair that doesn't look clinical. The black and red or gray and blue finishes look like something you'd choose, not something assigned to you. One honest note, the Aerofly has fixed arms. They don't flip back or detach. That makes side transfers slightly harder for some people. If easy side transfers are a priority, ask the team at Home Healthcare Shop before you order. They'll steer you right. Also worth knowing, the 250-pound weight capacity is solid for most users. But if you need more, there are higher capacity options available. Here's the bottom line on the Aerofly. The Aerofly Ultra-Light Wheelchair solves the one problem that makes caregiving harder than it needs to be. 13.3 pounds to carry, 19 pounds with wheels, magnesium alloy that holds 250 pounds, flat free tires, padded cushions, 2 sets of brakes, and a design that looks nothing like a medical device. For any family who wants their loved one to keep going out, to the park, to a restaurant, to see the grandkids, without dreading the lift every time, this is the chair that makes it easy. Get the Drive Aerofly Ultra-Light Wheelchair at Home Healthcare Shoppe. Link is in the description below. Questions about sizing or which version is right? Call 1-800-9350-538 or visit homehealthcareshoppe.com. Hit like and subscribe if this helped, and drop a comment. What matters most to you when choosing a wheelchair? We read every one. Thanks for watching.